Today we have a JVR Vac110 chamber vacuum sealer on our bench. We are going to go over how to change your vacuum pump exhaust filter. To start, remove all contents from the chamber and unplug the IEC cable. To get to the vacuum pump, you will need to open the Vac110's body. But before that, you will need to unscrew the two screws on the bottom of the back panel. Next, lift up on the back side of the Vac110's lid to hinge the body forward. Make sure to do this process in a slow manner to ensure that your machine does not fall over, but also do not be concerned as majority of the weight sits on the bottom of the machine. Once the machine is hinged forward, feel free to press on the hinging mechanism on the right side towards the front of the machine. We are now able to access the vacuum pump. Let's start by removing the hose that goes to the screw cap on top of the vacuum pump. As you pull off the hose, rotate the hose in a cyclical motion while pulling back on the hose to remove it from the nozzle. To remove the cap, rotate 1/8 of a turn. Now you can see the pump exhaust filter. Going down the center of the pump exhaust filter is a Phillips screw. Remove with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once fully loosened, remove the screw and the washer from the filter. Be careful not to lose the O-ring on the base of the pump exhaust filter, as you will need this for installation of your next pump exhaust filter. Using the pre-existing screw and washer, install the new pump filter. Reinstall the blue cap in a 2 o'clock position on top of your vacuum pump. Rotate it 1/8 of a turn to ensure lock. Once the blue cap has been locked down, place the hose back on the nozzle of the blue cap. This section might take a little bit of persuasion to get that hose back fully on that nozzle. You are now done changing your pump exhaust filter. From here, just close the body up, reinstall those 2 screws on the base of the back panel, and you are all set to go. Thank you for choosing JVR Industries. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with how-to, preventative maintenance, and other videos. If you need any further technical support, feel free to reach out to JVR Industries for all your VAC series needs.